right, this is our last example on writing equations in slope-intercept form given 2 points. As we started the last two examples, please make sure that you are labeling your points. So x1, y1, x2, and y2. Start by finding the slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1. Notice how I put minus a negative. And then x2 minus x1. This turns into plus and gives me a positive 1 on top. And then on bottom, I have a negative 5. So it's okay to have a fraction, and it's okay to have a negative for a slope. Now, we are going to plug in that negative 1/5 in this first point into our point slope form. So that's going to be y minus a negative 4 is equal to the slope times x minus 0. Remember, convert that to a positive. Minus a negative is a plus. Then distribute negative 1/5 x, and a negative times a negative is a positive, so plus 0. Subtract 4 to both sides, and I end up with y is equal to negative 1/5 x minus 4. Now, I want you to notice something. Yes, I have the same slope of negative 1/5 on both the equation and when I calculated 1/5, or excuse me, negative 1/5, but I also want you to notice this negative 4. When I circled this 0, negative 4, I knew that that was already the y-intercept. If you were to graph that on a number line, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the coordinate plane, it would be there. It's also represented in this point, in this graph, as well as in the equation. All right, the next example you're going to do by yourselves and finish the video and questions assignment.